So I'm a bit oblivious, not always in tune with how you're feeling. Not fair to call me amphibious, with head in sand and sea is unfeeling. But with all the chatter you're making, can't decipher poignant points from noise. So forgive me if I'm mistaken what might be